Today we're looking at the Glock 19 Gen 5, arguably the most popular firearm. The difference between the Glock 19 and the original full-size 17 is that the 19 is considered to be the compact size, and because of that, the magazine only holds 15 rounds, whereas the 17 holds 17 rounds in the magazine. This one is chambered in 9mm. And you'll notice the magazine is empty. Firearm is empty as well. The trigger is nice and crisp coming from the factory. There have been no modifications made onto this gun. The only thing you will notice is that the top has a red dot optics, and that is because this is the MOS version of the gun. Basically, the MOS version has 2 holes pre-drilled from the factory so that you can mount any type of optics to the top of your gun. So here is a look at the side of the gun. Nice texturized grip. Magazine release is on the side here. The slide features serrations on the back and front. And on the front of the gun, we have a rail to mount lights, lasers, and other accessories. Glocks are known to be extremely reliable. You can probably throw this in the sand, in the water, and this thing will probably still shoot. I'll leave a link down below to this Trijicon RMR, which is highly recommended with the Glocks. Other than that, the sights are normal. You'll notice that there is just white sights as well as a white dot in the front. The gun features an internal safety as well as a trigger safety. So you'll notice on the side, there is not going to be a safety like other firearms. It is built into the trigger where you have to press down on this piece here and as well as pull the trigger down. So that is a quick look at the Glock 19 Gen 5. Let me know what you guys think. Would you get the Glock 19 or the Glock 17? Personally, I think the Glock 19 fits my hands better. The smaller size is just easier to carry. It's a lighter weight as well. And I think the recoil between the 19 and the 17 is marginal, so I still would pick the 19. Let me know your opinion down below. If you guys do have any questions, leave them down below as well. If you guys did find the video helpful, please leave me a big thumbs up. Check out my channel for more videos, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.